Go full throttle and take full advantage of your Xfinity Internet and voice service with the Nighthawk AC 1900 Wi-Fi cable modem router with Xfinity Internet and voice. The absolute mandatory router if you demand high-speed Xfinity double and triple play plans. Combined 1.6 gigahertz processing power, boost performance for full 4K streaming and uninterrupted gaming. Utilizing AC 1900 Wi-Fi to maximize your Wi-Fi speeds up to 1.9 gigabits per second. Ensure uninterrupted HD video streaming with 24/8 channel bonding for the fastest download speeds, up to 960 megabits per second, even during peak hours. Take full control of your Wi-Fi with beamforming plus technology and high-powered amplifiers for whole home HD coverage while boosting mobile devices' speed and range, and access and share stored media via the accessible USB port. Additionally, support 2 Xfinity voice telephone lines with an optional battery backup. Enhanced features include 3-way conference calling, caller ID, call forwarding, and more. Plus, save up to $120 a year by eliminating internet service provider rental fees. The 3-in-1 solution: high-speed cable modem, Wi-Fi router, and voice device. The Nighthawk AC 1900 Wi-Fi cable modem router with Xfinity Internet and voice. The ideal, officially certified, and unparalleled choice for Xfinity Internet and voice services. Maximize your home internet speeds. Maximize your streaming and gaming with the world's fastest 2-in-1 cable modem and Wi-Fi router. The all-new Nighthawk AC 1900 Wi-Fi cable modem router by Netgear. With top AC 1900 Wi-Fi speeds of up to 1.9 gigabits per second, the Nighthawk cable modem router is equipped with the latest 24/8 channel bonding modem technology. Cable internet providers use data channels to deliver the internet to your home. These channels are much like lanes on a highway. The more channels your cable modem router has, the more you avoid internet congestion and the faster your internet goes. The Nighthawk cable modem router supports industry-leading 24 downstream channels to ensure uninterrupted HD or 4K streaming, even during peak hours. This creates a highly reliable, fast, and constant internet connection. Additionally, this technology is a requirement if you want to use the highest broadband speed tiers your cable internet provider has to offer. Maximize your streaming and gaming with a powerful dual processor and DOCSIS 3.0 technology, which delivers maximum speeds for uninterrupted video streaming, ensuring your video streaming doesn't lag or buffer. Boost your Wi-Fi coverage and speed with beamforming plus technology for the newest 802.11ac Wi-Fi devices like the iPhone 6, Samsung Galaxy 4, and MacBook Air. And save money by eliminating monthly equipment rental fees from your cable service provider. The all-new Nighthawk AC 1900 Wi-Fi cable modem router by Netgear.
Are you experiencing dropped connections, slow speeds, or overall poor performance on your Wi-Fi router? Here's a few simple tips on troubleshooting your Wi-Fi network. The first step to resolving issues with your Wi-Fi network is to check to make sure that each cord is firmly connected to both your modem and router, as this is often overlooked. We recommend that you examine your Netgear router LEDs located on the front to ensure that your router has an internet connection from your internet service provider. If you're not certain which LED represents internet, it often looks like this. You may need to reboot your modem or contact your service provider directly if no internet connection is shown. Loss of Wi-Fi connection in only certain areas of your home may be caused by a lack of range from your router, in which case you may want to consider range extender or power line alternatives for whole home coverage. If possible, move your device closer to your router and connect with your network name and password. If you cannot connect wirelessly or you've forgotten your network password, use an Ethernet cord for a wired connection to your router. Updating your router's firmware to the latest version can often solve network issues and ensure optimum functionality. Once connected to your network, navigate to routerlogin.net in your browser. When prompted, enter the default login of admin for the username and password for the password. From here, you have the ability to update your router's firmware, change your network settings, and much more. To update the firmware to the latest version, select the Advanced tab and then Administration. Click on Router Update and then check to determine if an update is available for your router. If an update is needed, follow the on-screen instructions to install. If you are having issues connecting via Wi-Fi due to losing your network name and password, return to the home page and select the wireless menu. From here, you can view or change your network settings. Note that routers with multiple bands have the ability to change network names and passwords individually. Wi-Fi operates on multiple channels, so if you're experiencing slow Wi-Fi speeds while multiple devices are connected to the network, changing your wireless channel and mode may improve performance. Now, if a single computer is having issues connecting, make sure your computer and all the drivers are up to date. If you're still experiencing issues, resetting your Netgear router to factory settings may solve your problem. Please note, performing a factory reset will erase all settings you currently have configured on your router. To perform a factory reset, first make sure the router is plugged into power. Then, use a paperclip to hold down the reset button on the back of the router for up to 7 seconds. Once it fully reboots, you can use the pre-configured network name and password printed on the bottom or back of the router to connect your device. Navigate to support.netgear.com to find additional information on troubleshooting your Netgear router.